how to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can subscribe Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to subscribe to Amazon Prime, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser, then go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just make sure to sign in to your Amazon account. And after you've done that, what you want to do is tap on start your free 30-day trial option. Once you tap on start your free 30-day trial option, right over here, you'll be able to see your selected payment method option and continue and use gift card balance whenever available and so on. Once you've entered the payment method, you'll be able to successfully subscribe to Amazon Prime. This way you can subscribe Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.